In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create compelling sales copy using Lovable AI. This process will transform your approach to writing, making it both efficient and effective, whether you're crafting content for ads, emails, or websites. To get started, open your Chrome browser and navigate to Lovable AI. Once you're there, initiate a new project. Starting fresh ensures you have a clean slate, ready for creativity and crafting a message that resonates with your audience. Next, you'll want to locate the Sales Copy Generator tool or template. Lovable AI provides several options, but this specific tool is crucial for producing tailored sales messages that capture attention and drive engagement. Take a moment to find the right tool, as this sets the foundation for all the content you'll be creating. Now that you have the template ready, it's time to input the essential information. Begin by entering the details of your product. Be thorough and specific. The more information you provide, the better the AI can tailor the copy to meet your needs. Think about the unique features of your product and how you want it to be perceived by your audience. Next, consider who your target audience is. Reflect on their demographics, interests, and what motivates them. This understanding is key to creating messages that resonate deeply and encourage action. Finally, outline the key benefits of your product. What makes it stand out? Why should someone choose your product over others? These benefits will form the backbone of your sales copy, so make sure they are clear and compelling. With all your details carefully entered, it's time for the exciting part. Clicking Generate. Lovable AI will work its magic, producing sales copy almost instantly. This moment is where technology and creativity meet, and you'll have a draft that's ready to be refined. It's important to remember that while AI can create a great foundation, the human touch is necessary for perfecting the message. After generating the copy, take the time to review and tweak it for tone and clarity. Read through the draft, considering whether the language and structure reflect the voice and message you wish to convey. Make necessary adjustments to ensure the tone is aligned with your brand and the message is clear and persuasive. This step is crucial in transforming the AI-generated content into something that feels authentic and engaging. Once you're satisfied with the final version, it's time to export the sales copy. This content will be a powerful tool in your marketing toolkit, ready to be deployed across various platforms such as ads, emails, or websites. By following these steps, you've harnessed the power of AI to create effective sales copy that speaks directly to your audience, cutting through the noise and driving results. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing the amazing sales copy you create with Lovable AI.